what? Copodimonium dihydroxypropyl hydrolyzed.
How to make an XLR cable. You will need 3 conductor wire, XLR connectors, heat shrink, heat gun, wire stripper, a soldering kit, and flush cuts. Slide the boot on first, along with a piece of outer jacket shrink. Measure about 1 inch and carefully strip the outer jacket. Add shield shrink and use the heat gun to melt the shrink in place. Trim inner conductors and strip back the jacket 3/32 of an inch. Tin the soldering iron, exposed wire, and all connector contacts. Dab a small amount of solder on the iron and place it onto the solder cup. Once the contact is warm, place the conductor. It should melt into the solder. Give it a tug test, then assemble the remaining parts. The XLR cable.